All right, we're on the 214 practice. So today is one that's going to be pretty quick. So just make sure you paid attention to it. Really try to make sure you didn't make any mistakes. And I really hope that you've attempted this before you watch this video. There's no reason to not attempt it, then check yourself, okay? So a number decreased by 3 is 10. What I would highly recommend is that you go through and you say, okay, that means that. So number or X, either way, decreased by 3 is 10, right? So then X minus 3 equals 10. Okay, so there's 20 of these because I'm not asking you to solve them. We're just doing this. Twice a number is 18. There's our equal sign. So the first thing I would do is I would put the equal sign. 2x equals 18. Third one, 3 less than a number is 11. There's our equal sign, equals 11. 3 less than a number. So you got to put a number minus 3 because the less than part has to go around. So number for x minus 3 equals 11. All right. Next, a number multiplied by 2. So x times 2 is equals 10. So x times 2, I prefer writing x times 2 as 2x. Same thing. All right. Thrice a number, which means 3 times a number. I did put that down here. It's a word we don't really use anymore. Increased by 10 is 80. So 3x plus 10 equals 80. All right. We have 32 equals. So this one's backwards a little bit. Twice a number, 2x, increased by 4. So 2x plus 4. All right, like that. Next one, the sum of 34 and 4 more than a number. This one's pretty hard. Should be 100 or 100 or something like that. So the sum of 34, so 34, the sum of that. So 34 and, so the plus, where that and is, this and this, that always means plus, 4 more than a number. So that's kind of weird because when it says 4 more than a number, it's really like that. So 4 plus x. It wouldn't matter if you didn't have the parentheses because there's nothing times on the outside there. All right, and then let's say equals 100. Okay. 16 is 6 less than twice a number. So let's take the twice a number and then 6 less than that. So that means minus 6. So 16 equals 2x minus 6. All right. 8 is 1/2 of, that means 1/2 times some number, 1/2 x. Or it could also be x divided by 2. So 8 equals 1/2 x. 5 less than the sum of z and y is 16. So equals 16. So 5 less than the sum of z and 9. So the sum of z and 9 would be z plus 9. Then 5 less than that means minus 5. So z plus 9 minus 5 is 16. Okay, next we got a number n divided by 18 is 2. So we got n, this one's pretty straightforward. N divided by 18 is 2. 14 is the difference between a number and 10. So 14 is the difference between, so it's minus a number and 10. So 14 is the difference between a number and 10. All right, 8 more than, so 8 plus twice the number n is 14. So notice the is word like telling there's kind of telling you what it equals. So 8 plus 2n. All right, n times 11, which I'm going to turn around and say 11n, is going to be 11n equals 44. I'm always going to prefer this to be written like that. Twice a number is 26, so that's just like that. Okay, so 2x equals 26. All right, the sum of 32 and a number is 60. So 32 plus x equals 60. Okay, 32 plus x equals 60. All right. 4 less than 4 times the number is 44. So we got a bunch of 4s here. So 4 times the number, that's 4x. Then 4 less than that needs to come around. So minus 4 is or equals 44. So 4x minus 4 equals 44. All right. Twice a number decreased from 100 equals 20. Okay, so we got equals 20. Decreased from 100 means 100. This one's tricky. Minus 2x or 2n. Okay, so that one's 100 minus 2x is 20. 10 less than a number is 12. Okay, so we got equals 12. So a number, x, 10 less than that. So x minus 10 equals 12. And then 2 more than a number is 13. 2 plus x equals 13. All right. So again, all I needed from you today is that you have those written out. I would encourage you to make sure that you are taking the notes as I did there. As you're going through, find the equal sign, kind of annotate it like that. I think it's a very useful way of preventing mistakes when you're translating from words to equations.